Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck. This is Raj here. This is the afternoon midday update. It's a Friday and things are not looking that great in my opinion, even though the share prices are going up. I want to bring you the warning once again that I am watching a lot of bearish divergence in many stocks that are leading the market at this point of time. So again, these are my personal opinion, not financial advice. So please do your own due diligence. With that said, let's get to the TradingView platform and get started with our regular suspects. Here we are in the TradingView platform looking at the Nasdaq futures out here, and as you can see I have drawn a line out here on the price line, and I have drawn a line out here on the RSI, and both are divergent. So Nasdaq futures is showing bearish divergence, which means the momentum is falling but the price is going up. That is not sustainable. Sooner rather than later the price will start falling. So that's my prediction. Again, personal opinion, not financial advice. Next, I would like to go and have a look at Nasdaq itself. And you can see the same kind of bearish divergence in Nasdaq as well. And next, I want to go into AI and AI watch list. And first we'll look at Tesla, which is becoming a bit weaker today, but there should definitely be a bit of profit taking after such a huge run up in price. So I think there is a little bit of profit taking out there, but still I think Tesla has the potential to go all the way up to 89% on the RSI. So there is still potential for a Tesla to move above. Mag5 is still perfectly strong away from the signal line. Next, let us look at FNGU. In fact, today the angle of the price became even more steep as compared to the RSI line, and therefore there is a bearish divergence out here. I sold 20 FNGU to book profits in the event that FNGU fell, and we have a whole lot of other companies also in our watch list. The next one in line is Microsoft. Let us look at Microsoft, where it is going. So Microsoft has met and achieved our price target of 461.87. It's at 468. So yet another successful price target prediction, and we followed this for a while until the price target was reached. So if you like this video, please press a like here, tell your friends about it, and we'll try to keep this feature going. So that said, I think I'm seeing a bearish divergence on Microsoft. So which again, as I said, means that price is going up but momentum is falling. As you can see, the volumes are lesser out here. So sometime sooner rather than later, the price will fall. Next, we are going to look at Palantir in our watch list, where we were talking about price targets. So the price target was 31.81 for Palantir, and we are still marching on the way. And if you want to see the price target, I'll go to the weekly chart and just recalibrate the chart so that you can see it clearly. So here is the price target that I was talking about. This is the cup and handle. We are in the way, and there is a resistance for us at 27.44, and everything looks okay for Palantir to go ahead and grab this, but there's a slight bearish divergence, but I won't give too much to it right now because things can improve for Palantir. Next, I would like to go on to Amazon, and we had fixed a price target of 203.5. If you look at the cup and handle target, it's 203.5. We are right now at 199.98. So still a little bit more to go. I'm going to switch to the daily chart so that I can show you what it is looking like in terms of a bit of a divergence. I sold 300 Amazon today in order to book some profits. I still have around 1100 Amazon in my portfolio. So I have not liquidated the position completely. Next, I want to take you to Meta, where we have price target of 542. For this, I'll have to take you back into the weekly time frame so that you can see the cup and handle target of around 542.5 or 543, something in that region. So right now we are at 533. There is plenty of upside still remaining, but I would like to take you back into the daily range. I'd like to show you how flat the RSI is, whereas we have ascending angle on the pricing. So this is again a bearish divergence in my opinion. Therefore, I would be very careful about Meta. I haven't sold any Meta. I still have Meta in my portfolio. I'm holding on to it. And then I want to bring a new stock into the mix because it has got a bearish divergence. It is Apple. As you can see here, Apple has a bearish divergence. I'm going to change the angle here a little bit because this is much more accurate. And you can see that the divergence is significant. and therefore I think Apple also is likely to lose its momentum, and probably the Apple price might fall. So that's my thoughts. Yet another company that I want to talk about happens to be Google, which also has bearish divergence. If you are to look at this line out here, which I have drawn on the price line, and if you were to look at the line that I drew here on the RSI, connecting all the peaks of the RSI, you'll see that it is pretty flat. Therefore, there's a bearish divergence out here, which could also mean that Google might drop. Now, if I put a summation of all these things, and then it will be reflected in FNGU, because FNGU is an aggregation of all these things, and FNGU is looking very, very dangerous right now. So this is what I have for you in the afternoon report. I'm happy to say that I have made a lot of profit on FNGU, and I have sufficient money to put back into CRISPR. And just out of curiosity, I would like to go back and have a look at where CRISPR is. My price target for purchasing CRISPR was 55 to 60. And as you can see here, CRISPR Therapeutics is heading down. It's being supported right now by a support at 52.62, and it's exactly at the support of 52.62. And if I look at the MACD and the momentum, it gives me a feeling that it's going to go down further, and it will test the next support, which is at 51.55. So this gives me all the opportunity to invest back into CRISPR as the price drops to somewhere below 50. This tells me that my strategy of taking profits out of CRISPR and then deploying it into FNGU to multiply it has given high dividends, because I have gained almost close to $15,000 or $16,000 on FNGU so far. And CRISPR Therapeutics shares, if I wanted to buy back the 100, it's just going to cost me $5,000 if the price goes to 50. So I think I have effectively multiplied the money that I was earmarking for CRISPR Therapeutics. So on the alternative, if I had just stayed invested in CRISP and did not take profit and did not invest in FNGU where the momentum was going, I would have lost a big opportunity, and I would never know that I could have made extra money out there. So I'm really happy that I took the strategy. If any of you have followed the similar kind of strategy, please let me know. Or if you're still invested in CRISPR and you are in a negative position or something. Anyway, I would like to have your thoughts about it. So this was my strategy. I shared my strategy with you right at the onset. And now I have started taking more profits. Earlier I had sold only 40 CRISPR. Now I have sold another 20 today. So I have realized a whole lot of profits. And now if FNGU falls, I don't mind. Even though I have a lot of profits still left to be realized. The way I'm looking at it is that if I had a profit of $10,000, and if I sell $10,000 worth of shares and keep the cash handy, that's all I'm concerned about. Because whenever the share price goes down, I can always buy it back. So with that said, my friends, I would like to bring this video to an end. I'll catch up with you again in the next video. Bye for now.